Hello everybody, we continue with the puzzles of the week. Sorry for not being this every week. I hope that I shall find more time in the future. So we shall first discuss the second puzzle in this series. This was the puzzle. You needed to complete the logic here on this picture, and this time we had 3 submissions, and all 3 were correct. So this was a really easier puzzle as I expected. So this is just a sequence of 3 positions of the circle. So this is the full circle as a first position, and then what we do, we look at this like the axis of rotation through the middle of the circle. So imagine that this is the axis of rotation, and so we shall leave the lower half of this circle unchanged through 3 positions, and the upper half will rotate by 90 degrees around this axis of rotation. So sorry, I will bring this back. I wanted to change color and something, but not for this axis of rotation. I shall now try to draw this lower part of circle, something like this. Okay, maybe not the best image, but the lower part of that circle remains unchanged here on the second position, and also on the third position as drawn on this third image. And we said that the upper half of the upper part of that circle is rotating by 90 degrees, and so on the second picture, when rotated by 90 degrees, this second part simply becomes visible like just one line. So this is the solution. And when rotated again by further 90 degrees on the third image, it coincides with this already drawn half circle here on the third position. So this second part was missing, and 3 people solved this, and unfortunately there were no more submissions so far. Okay, I recently started with this, and also I'm not a regular so far, so sorry for that, but I shall continue on my pace how much time I find, and I hope that there will be more testees in the future, and then we shall bring some light to those spatial puzzles, and I hope that I shall motivate more people for taking various spatial IQ tests, both my and from other authors. Okay, and I already published the third puzzle. So I do plan that solving time will be 1 week for easier puzzle and 2 weeks for more difficult for harder puzzles, and I expect that this one will be somewhat harder. So this time you will again have 2 weeks for solving this puzzle. There is an image here on the website evic.ultimaiq.net, and also there is a PDF file to download and also we see those people which are now here on top 10 at Puzzle of the Week season. And so we all hope for some updates after the Christmas. You have time till Christmas, so I wish you Merry Christmas already, and we shall see each other here on videos about these puzzles of the week after the Christmas. Thank you very much for watching, and there will be some more content on my YouTube channel here, but I mainly plan to solve those puzzles from this website, from those Puzzle of the Week website. So all solutions will be revealed, and we can discuss also if you don't agree with some solutions, and when there will be more possible solutions. And you know probably from my IQ tests that I regularly ask for the best solutions. I don't count as correct all what can be considered as logic. I always strive for best solutions, and I value only best solutions. Maybe some of you are disappointed with your scores on my IQ tests, and also on IQ tests from some other offers, but I think that this is the way to look for best solutions, for the most logic solutions with minimal induction in your mind. That this is the way to go, because you always can complete the puzzle with some logic. Almost always you can find something, but that something is not is regularly not the best. It's really hard to find best solutions, especially for more difficult puzzles. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next time.